Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to redeem your TikTok rewards. So if you've joined the creators program on TikTok or you've got some gifts on your TikTok live, then let me show you how you can redeem all those rewards. So first you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Now here you want to go ahead and open up your profile. Before you do anything, you need to make sure you're in the creators program. So you have at least 10,000 followers, you have 100,000 views on 3 of your videos, and you're at least 18 years and above. So once you're in that creators program, you'll then be able to redeem the gifts or the rewards which TikTok offers. So here on this account, I have my TikTok monetized. So I can go ahead and show you how to redeem the TikTok rewards. First, I'll go ahead and tap on the 3 lines at the top right, then tap on balance. As you can see, currently my balance is for rewards is 3 pence and for others is £116 and 36 pence. So if I want to redeem this balance, go ahead and tap on it. Then I'll go ahead and tap on my income. This will now ask me for a 6-digit code which has been emailed to my mailbox. I'll go ahead and type it in. Now to withdraw this money, I can go ahead and tap on withdraw. It'll then ask me where I want to withdraw it. Currently it's been set to PayPal. However, you can tap on add and you can add a bank transfer or you can add a PayPal method. So right now I'll just leave it as PayPal. Then I can go ahead and choose the amount. So this is the amount I'm going to withdraw. And once I'm ready, I can go ahead and tap on withdraw now. And that will send the cash from my TikTok account to my PayPal account. And there you go guys, that is how to redeem your TikTok rewards on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.